Chapter 18. Direct and Indirect Speech. Let's warm up initiative and self-direction. Write direct speech (DS) and indirect speech (IDs) for the following. A. She said, "You have got 80% marks." B. He said that he was not the first in the queue. C. Rohit said, "Anil has not clipped his nails." D. Sneha said that she was in the class. Let's observe analytical skills. Read the following sentences. Mohan, I want apples. Johnny, Mohan said that he wanted apples. Sudhir, Mohan said, I want apples. Let's learn conceptual learning. Notice that Sudhir and Johnny report the speech of Mohan in two different ways, which have the same meaning. Now, let us see the difference in the two reports made by Sudhir and Johnny. The pronoun I of first report changed to he in the second report. The verb want changed to wanted. The word that is used in place of comma. Inverted commas, quotation marks or speech marks are removed in the second report. We may report the words of a speaker in two ways. 1. We may quote his/her actual words. This kind of report is called direct speech. Sudhir quotes the speech of Mohan in direct speech. Mohan said, reporting verb. I want apples, quoted speech. 2. We may also report what the speaker said without quoting her/his exact words. This kind of report is called indirect speech. Johnny reports Mohan's speech in indirect speech. Mohan said, reporting part, that he wanted apples, reported part. Grammar, link. Direct speech always begins with a capital letter and ends with either a full stop, question mark, or exclamation mark. Change in pronouns. The first person pronoun in direct speech changes to the third person pronoun in indirect speech. Example, Simpy said, I went to school. Direct speech. Simpy said that she had gone to school. Indirect speech. The second person pronoun in direct speech changes to the first person pronoun in indirect speech. Example, Simpy said, you should help the poor. Direct speech. Simpy said that we should help the poor. Indirect speech. The third person pronoun in direct speech remains the same in indirect speech. Example, Simpy said, they are from Delhi. Direct speech. Simpy said that they were from Delhi. Indirect speech. Change in tenses. Direct speech in the simple present tense changes to the simple past tense. Example, he said, he is hungry. Direct speech. He said that he was hungry. Indirect speech. Direct speech in the present continuous tense changes to the past continuous tense. Example, my father said, he is going outside. Direct speech. My father said that he was going outside. Indirect speech. Direct speech in the present perfect tense changes to the past perfect tense. Example, she said, she has packed her clothes. Direct speech. She said that she had packed her clothes. Indirect speech. Direct speech in the simple past tense changes to the past perfect tense. Example, he said, I bought a new car. Direct speech. He said that he had bought a new car. Indirect speech. Direct speech in the past perfect tense does not change its form. Example, they said, we had won the match. Direct speech. They said that they had won the match. Indirect speech. Change in punctuation. If the direct speech ends with a question mark or an exclamation mark, we change it to the full stop in indirect speech. Example, he asked, do you like coffee? Direct speech. He asked if I liked coffee. Indirect speech. Some other changes. Direct speech. Indirect speech. May, might, can, could, shall, should, will, would, now, then, this, that, these, those, here, there. Direct speech. Indirect speech. Today. That day. Yesterday. The previous day, the day before. Last week. The previous week, the week before. Tomorrow. The next day, the following day. Ago. Before. Tonight. That night. Next week. The following week.